predicting the amount of reactant based on the amount of product. In the problem it says given the following equation, Na2O plus H2O yields 2 NaOH, how many grams of Na2O are required to produce 1.60 times 10 to the second grams of NaOH? So this is a mass-to-mass stoichiometry problem, except going from products to reactants. We need to know how much reactant Na2O we need. So it's going to follow the same rules. We have the mass of A, which is whatever we're given, which is 1.60 times 10 to the second grams. And then we go to the moles of A, and then we use the mole ratio to find out what the moles of B should be. Then we go to the mass of B, and we're done for that problem. So here we have how many grams of Na2. So what we're going to do is use 160 grams of NaOH. I just changed that to standard notation. So then we divide by the molar mass to get the moles, grams per mole, and we get 4.00 moles of NaOH. Then to figure out we're going to use the mole ratio to get to B, which is Na2O, which is what we're looking for. So what I'm going to do is 4 moles, and the mole ratio for that is 2. The coefficient here is 1 for this one and 2 for this one. And we do that because what it's saying is that for every 2 NaOHs, I only have one. For every 2 moles of NaOH, I have only 1 mole of Na2O. So 4 moles of NaOH, so that's 2 moles of NaOH, equals the same as 1 mole. Notice I'm putting the ratios here. And we don't know exactly what this mole should be for the moles, the actual moles of Na2O. So when we see this, what we can see is that when you divide this number, you're just going to get X, and when you get 4 divided by 2, you're going to get 2 moles. So 2 moles of NaOH actually equals X moles of Na2O. So that means that there are 2 moles of Na2O. So when we have 2 moles of Na2O, we have the moles of B, and now we can find the mass because I'm going to multiply that by the molar mass of Na2O, which is 61.979 grams per mole. And when I find that out, it's going to be 124, we're looking for 3 significant digit, grams of Na2O. So this is the answer to this problem. We just did mass of A to moles of A, and we used the mole ratio, set up a mole ratio problem, and then we got the moles of B, and we used that to find the mass of B.